Smart automation, better business. Learn how to optimize your business with Solved.
Hello, everyone. Welcome back. My name is David Lau, and I am a consultant at Solved.cloud. And today we'll be going over a topic that a lot of people wonder about with Salesforce FSC. And that is, how can we create reports that not only contain the household data, but also the person account data within the same report. So I'll show you today an effective way of creating that through creating a report type, as well as showing you how to create an example report. So let's dive into it. The first step for this is to create a custom report type. Now, you'll hit the gear icon in the upper right corner, go to Setup. In Quick Find, you will search report types here. Click on the report types here, and we'll be building a custom report type. Now, you'll add a new custom report type here. The primary object will be the account object. And we'll name it households and household members. You can select which category you'd like this to be stored in, and you'll want to select deployed so that you can use this report type right away. Now I've already created this report type, so it's giving me an error, so I'll go ahead and add a 2 there. We'll go ahead and save it here. You'll then add another object to the accounts, and that will be the contact relationship. Right there, contact relationships. And you'll leave it as each A record must have at least one of the B records right there. And we'll go ahead and save there. Okay, now we have our report type created for our households as well as our individuals within those households, and we'd like to show those that have households with members in them. So let's jump back to the report tab. So in creating this report, we'll add a new report here. We will select our new custom report type that we've generated here. Hit Start Report. Now we'll adjust the standard filters here to all accounts, the created date to all time, and also add a record type to just show the household ones. Perfect. And now that we'll refresh this, we should just have the households here. We're going to group just by the account name here, and we'll refresh. As you can see, we have our 2 households here in the system with the members. So we have the household data as well as the person account data there. Now from here, you can save this report, and then you can customize it however you would like and add any other data points that you need to capture. For example, here we could add the address if we would like that. We'll just add the billing address for now. Save and run it. And there you have it. That is how we can create a custom report type that will allow you to show the households in a report as well as the members within the household as well. Those person accounts and their information. And from there you can customize that report. Thanks so much for watching the video today. And if you have any questions about Financial Services Cloud or how to configure custom reports to display the information that you would like to see, go ahead and comment on the video below. Thanks so much for watching.
Thank you so much for watching. We can't wait to help you automate your business. Please like, comment, or subscribe for more.